Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 Ford S-Max Titanium. This car comes with the 2-litre diesel turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 43 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 20 and this is a one-owner vehicle, having covered just over 30,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the Metallic Moondust Silver and looks in great condition, fares your mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. This car comes with the £2,500 luxury pack, which includes the electric heated leather seats there. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then this car also has climate control, cruise control, automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card there, you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. The S-Max has got to be one of the best cars in the family, so nice, really wide door opening there. Lots of legroom and headroom, so ideal for getting children in and out of car seats. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and also rear passengers have their own picnic tables there, so kids would love those. And as we open the tailgate, which is again part of the luxury pack, so this is electric, to reveal a really good sized boot there. I've put the third row seat up there just to show you, and the car has the parcel shelf and the split folding rear seats there in the centre. And then one feature I do like, which is a nice little touch, by pressing the button the seats fold down as well, so nice and practical. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 17-inch alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.